Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Bitcoin. It's a little bit early here, so if I sound a little bit sleepy still, then that's the reason. But wanted to do a full update here on Bitcoin, and I think overall our situation for Bitcoin is quite steady here. The big question for me is going to be, well, first of all, can Bitcoin actually hold this support level? Right now we have a strong support here around 97,200. And then second of all, and I think that's even more interesting, and I think we'll also think it's more interesting for all of you guys, what's the Bitcoin dominance going to do? All right, overnight we actually saw that the Bitcoin dominance went down quite a bit again. As you can see, gaming coins also rallied a lot, for example, but now it is at support. It's bouncing again from the daily POC right here. So what to expect over the course of today? It's going to from altcoins. It's going to depend a lot on this, and Bitcoin itself. Look, what we're seeing over the course of the last 24 hours is that the volume right now is down to $43 billion. That's down 40%. If you would have told me that the volume was down 40% and we would be at $42.5 billion in volume a month ago, I would have called you crazy. But that volume is fine, all right? It's down. And you can see down here that the momentum is also still going down. This is all quite healthy, all right? We're losing momentum here, so no elevated funding rates across the board, or at least not for Bitcoin. And just in general, getting some leverage out of the price while the price actually hold its own, which is happening right now. Here you can see funding rates are quite fine, but that's great, right? That means that more spot Bitcoin is being bought up, and it also means that there's more room for new leverage to come in if we actually want to get to 100,000. But at the moment, it seems most likely that we will just consolidate down here. And I would even go as far as saying, and I think this is the main thing you need to be prepared for, I would even say that there's a real possibility we'll drop down to the next support level. There is still support at 96,700 right here. After that, we're talking about 95,700. After that, we're talking about 94,800. Right? Those are the main support levels. What I would say as a trader is wait for one of those levels to hit, that we actually get some fresh momentum in there, or that we have some sort of evidence that it's going to hold. Then we will consolidate, and then you can actually trade altcoins, probably. All right, that's what I would say as a trader. As a price prediction video maker, what I would say is most likely is that short term we will still pull back here. I think ultimately for now 96,800 is going to hold, right? So that means that yes, we can have a spike like this. That is certainly a possibility, but overall I don't expect that much bearish momentum. It is possible, and I'll try to keep you updated on that. But for now, I don't expect that much bearish momentum that the price is going to drop down to this level. Spike down, and that it's not going to recover. All right, so I would say something like this, consolidating here is still most likely consolidating in the same range which we are in right now. And then once we actually start to gain some new open interest, some new momentum, then we can prepare for that move into 100, 101, 102,000. All right, which is ultimately still the price target at the moment. And then we have to see if we can actually break above 100,000 and hold it. That would be extremely bullish, but that's something for later. For now, I would expect something like this. Quite boring and not a lot of movement for Bitcoin. I think altcoins at the moment are much more interesting. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, have a great Sunday. Take care and bye.